like to use an example for is this channel called Open Mind right here. So if you just search that in, you'll see Open Mind. And what you'll see that he's doing here is literally all he's doing is using these like Alex Jones videos, okay? And he has been up. We'll see how long he's had a channel here. He's had a channel since 2015, okay? He's been posting consistently for well over a year. Never gotten in any trouble. Still has ads. You see here, it's just like Alex Jones videos and things like that. And that's all it is. And you can see,
what's up, my
still
friend?
got
Kyle
ads. Like I said,
In a
Open
moment,
Mind.
I'm gonna
He's
step
had
into
this
my
video.
office
He's
here at
had
my
this
home
channel
and
for a
pull
year
up
or
my
two.
computer
Okay.
and show you
He's had this channel for a year or two.
Ba-dum-bum-bum.
He's still got ads on it. You know, and all he's doing is like reposting these videos. Okay, he's not editing them at all. He's not doing anything like that. All he's doing is successfully using thumbnails, titles, and tags, finding the right videos that you're actually allowed to repost based on a special license that I will teach you guys inside the course. And basically, guys, a channel like this blows the frick up, okay? Videos are still going viral. They're still getting recommended. You'll see that videos that have hundreds of thousands of views, they'll still get recommended to you 4 years later, okay? Which means they're still making ad revenue 4 years later off a video they made 4 years ago. So that's the power of this, okay? And then the second one, you guys already know about this as well, as selling on Shopify. That's Shopify drop shipping. Basically, you're using a product or whatever, and you're finding it from AliExpress, which is kind of a China-based website that has really cheap prices. Then you set up a Shopify store. It's really simple to do, and then you basically import those products from AliExpress into your Shopify store, and then you run some Facebook ads, Instagram ads, things like that to get people to your store. And then if it looks good, and I have a course for this as well, but it teaches you, how to the psychology of what makes people purchase. How to run successful ad campaigns and things like that, and then people come to your store, they purchase it, and then you buy it directly from the supplier, and you have the supplier send it directly to the customer. You never touch the product at all. So that is definitely another source of passive income, because once you start running those ads and you find the ones that are successful, you've already got the products in there. Now it's hands off. People are coming into your store on a daily basis, and you're not even doing any work at all. And then they're importing it, and then you just have to fulfill the order, which you can do on your phone with one click. So, okay. So let me just say this. I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, I need to have this like really, really awesome skill, or I need to be an expert at something. You don't need to be an expert to build an online course. You just need to have some knowledge and know what you're talking about and be able to prove that you know what you're talking about. Okay, and you can sell a course on anything. So if you're really good at like Call of Duty, there's a ton of people who want to be good at Call of Duty. Okay, it doesn't have to be teaching something that generates money. Okay, if a lot of people want to be good at Call of Duty, and you're really good at Call of Duty, and you can prove that you're really good at Call of Duty, and that you can teach people how to be really good at Call of Duty, people will pay you money to buy a course to learn how to be really good at Call of Duty. Okay, if you are really good at shooting 3-pointers, and you have like this, and you can make a video where you hit 100 threes in a row, and you say, I have this special like formula that I've used to get really good at shooting 3-pointers, and I will teach that to you for $50. People will buy it. Okay, all it comes down to is marketing. It comes down to, making a YouTube channel is a really great way to build an audience, but you can do a blog, you can make an Instagram account, you can do all kinds of things to get people to notice you. But then from there, if you don't have to be the expert, the number one expert, but if you have knowledge to bring to the table for somebody and they believe that knowledge is worth it, they're gonna pay for your course, guys, and it can be on anything, so keep that in mind as well. But it's a great source of passive income. Like for me, my video right now is ranked #1 on YouTube for make money on YouTube. So every day new people are getting to my channel, and new people are buying the course on a daily basis that weren't subscribers just yesterday, right? Because every day they're seeing that video because I did the work and got it ranked to #1. Now every day people are seeing that video and purchasing the course, and so that is another source of passive income for me. So if you created a blog for how to be really good at Call of Duty, and then you had a course there, then when people search how to be really good at Call of Duty, they're going to find your blog and they're going to buy your course, and that's completely hands off. okay? Because you did the work on the front end, and now you're just making money, looking down at your phone while you're sitting on the beach, saying, "Hey, another course sale." So that's my third way of passive income that is really, really. You'll see a lot of people on YouTube making millions of dollars just selling courses, guys. And it can be on anything. It doesn't have to be how to how to make money. It can be if you're really good at painting, you could make a course on how to get better at painting. Okay? If you're really good at drawing, anything at all. Any skill that you have, guarantee every single one of you has a skill where you could build a course on it and sell it, and then all you have to do is build a blog or build a YouTube channel or build something showing proof that you're really, really good at it, Pinterest, whatever, showing that you're really good at it, and people will see it, people will buy the course. I know you don't think they will, but they will, guys, and it can be a text course, it can be a video-based course like mine is. You can do all kinds of things, okay? So that's the third way to generate passive income that I use. The fourth one would be affiliate marketing, guys. And so this can be as simple as, you'll see it in a lot of videos on YouTube. So if you basically, you'll see on YouTube, like for instance, a lot of people will make like a review. So I like to play like virtual reality. So I have this Oculus Rift headset right here. And for those of you who are wondering, that's why I don't have any furniture in here, because I walk around in this room in VR and I don't want to run into furniture. So it's not because I don't have any money. A lot of people are like, "Oh, you don't even have any money because you don't have furniture in the room." I don't want furniture because I don't want to freaking break my leg walking around in virtual reality. That's why. I have other rooms for furniture, okay? And so anyways, so say for instance, I wanted to make money affiliate marketing. So what would I do? I would make a review on the Oculus Rift, or an accessory for the Oculus Rift. Okay, and so I'd make a review on it, and if you can get it ranked and get a lot of people to watch it, in the description you can put a link, an affiliate link to Amazon saying purchase this Oculus Rift, or purchase this particular accessory that I am reviewing. So you can literally just, anything you're already interested in, already enjoy, and already using, you can make a review on it and then put a link, Amazon, an Amazon affiliate link, and then when they'll go to the description and say this is the product, purchase it here, they'll click on that link, and then they will go, and then if they buy anything on Amazon in the next like week, I think it is, you will make a commission off of whatever they buy. It doesn't even have to be that product. A lot of people will buy that product, if they're clicking on it and interested in it, but then it puts a cookie on there, and like for the next week, if someone buys anything on Amazon, you get a commission for that. Okay, so you'll see that on YouTube all the time. Like, there are some YouTubers or bloggers or whatever that have in the description, this is the camera I use, this is the microphone I use, this is the lighting I use. Okay, and they do that because number one, a lot of people ask, but number two, and the main reason, is because then people click on that link, and if you can get them to click on that link, they might buy that accessory, or they might buy just anything on Amazon in the next week, and you can make a whole lot of money doing that if you're getting a lot of views on that video. And you can do the same thing with a website. So you can build a blog saying, this is, how you do this or that, and then put links in there along the way. And so I haven't done too much with affiliate marketing yet. I can make somewhere around $1,000 a month doing just my Shopify link. You'll see in here that I have, in every video, I have my Shopify link right here. Get the free trial of Shopify on me right here. So people will click on that, and then if they buy a Shopify, account, then I get a commission for that. So I get, actually, if they buy the cheapest one, I get $58 every time somebody buys that Shopify. Even if they only have the account for 1 month, I get $58 for that. If they buy the middle tier one, then I get like over $100. So it can really pay off, and so that's just one way that I use to make money. Right now I'm just doing the Shopify affiliate one. I want to, branch out and try to do more things, but yeah, anything you use, anything you enjoy, if you want to review video games and say, or like I said, like technology equipment, cell phones, whatever it is that you already are using, tennis rackets, be like, hey, review different tennis rackets, and then put an affiliate link for Amazon in your description. And yeah, if you can get people to click that link and they'll end up buying it or buying something else, you can make a lot of money doing that. People are millionaires just by doing what I just said there. And then the fifth way, which I'm just starting to get into, let me know if you guys are interested in this or not, but I'm really interested in it. It's day trade stocks. Okay, so you day trade stocks. So basically it just comes down to analytics, right? So there's like softwares where you're trying to you're trying to kind of predict when like it will stop going up and start going down, or predict when it will stop going down and start going up. And if you can predict those well, you can make thousands of dollars every single day. So I've been learning this, I've been digesting it. I haven't made a video in about a week, I think, because I've been studying that nonstop. So day trading stocks isn't that passive. But stocks in general, if you do like long-term stocks, like a year, 2 years, whatever, you buy the stock once, and then basically you just let it rise by itself. So if you do your research, you do your research well, on a particular company, and you buy stocks in it, and then you just hold them for 2 years or whatever, and if the price is doubled or tripled, you're going to make a freaking lot of money, guys. And so that's completely passive. Once you buy that stock and do your research on the company, then it's really, really passive income. So those are my 5 ways. YouTube for sure, by reposting videos, and not even needing a camera or a microphone or any sort of investment at all. Number 2, drop shipping through Shopify. Number 3, selling courses, personal branding, things like that. Number 4, affiliate marketing, definitely. And then number 5 is stocks. So those are my 5 ways of passive income, guys. Every single one of you can be a freaking millionaire. I just want you to know that. I don't know if you guys know that. You watch these videos, but I don't think you actually believe it. Because when I first started, I didn't believe it. I didn't believe it at all until it's starting to happen, and now I'm starting to really believe it. And so I hope you guys believe it. I hope you jump into something. Jump into one of the 5 today, okay? But remember, if you leave a comment and you like the video and you subscribe, one of you is going to get a free course of your choosing within the next week. So look forward to that. And that's all I have for this video. It ended up being kind of long, but dude, 5 ways is kind of, that's a lot of stuff to talk about. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm out. Peace. Oh, and dude, course, $115, $30 off, 24 hours. Get yours today. All right, I'm out.